everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. My name is Carly if you are new to my channel, and in today's video is a H&M haul. I have not ordered from H&M for the longest time, other than things for the boys, because I love the kids' clothes in H&M. I haven't actually ordered any women's clothes. I honestly can't remember the last time, and I don't know why, because the things that I ordered are just gorgeous and just perfect for autumn. And yeah, I can't wait to show you all. So sit back and I will get straight into the video. So the first thing that I want to show you all, which I'm really excited about for when it gets a little bit chillier, is this gorgeous knitted jumper. It is huge and it is just going to be the snuggliest, comfiest thing. I cannot wait to wear this with a nice pair of skinny jeans and some like ankle biker boots and a little woolly hat. Oh hey Rudy, Rudy's just joining us there. Hey Rudes. I got this in an XL because I wanted it to be really oversized, and it is definitely that, and I just cannot wait till it is the weather to wear this sort of thing. I love, love, love a knitted oversized jumper in the winter and autumn time. I just like to cover up and feel like I'm going out still in my duvet, and I am so happy with it. Cannot wait to wear it. We'll be wearing it to death. And for all this jumper it was only $19.99, which I think is a really good price. I think they had other colours as well. Their autumn range is just amazing. All of the jumpers and things and all of these gorgeous autumnal colours, they've just got some really lovely things. So that was the first thing that I put in my basket. The next item, I really wanted some dark jeans. I don't really have a lot of my jeans are acid wash or like light denim, so I wanted something, obviously again thinking of autumn, I wanted to start getting like the darker colours, and I saw these and I have just really got a thing at the minute for the mum jeans. If you'd have said this to me like years ago, I would have just been, I mean, skinny jeans all the way. I would have never gone for a baggy jean, but I am so in love with them. And these are high-waisted mum ankle jeans. So I've just rolled them up at the bottom. I've already worn these out. They are so comfortable. The only thing that's a little bit annoying is the fact that it's a button here, which is a bit of a faff, but it does look nice, to be fair, with the buttons instead of a zip. But they are so comfortable. I got them in a size 8, which fits just perfectly. Really nice, really comfy, and yeah, these are really thick, good quality jeans, and this is definitely going to be something that I'm going to be living in again this autumn / winter. When I wore them the other day, I just had on a black vest top and then a big cardigan, a nice little leopard print belt on, and I just love them. So I'm definitely going to keep investing in a lot of these paper bag jeans, and mum jeans I think is quite flattering for me actually, and I should, like, I don't know why, I always thought that they would make me look bigger, but I think because I'm a pear shape, it is quite flattering for me to have not such a tight trouser on the bottom half of me. So I am really pleased with these, and I'm really sure that these fit fine. I don't think they were in the petite section. No, it doesn't say anything about them being in the petite section, and obviously you can roll them up as much as you want or not have them rolled up at all. But yeah, very pleased with these. And then another gorgeous jumper, but this one is like a fine knit one, which is just, oh, it's just such a lovely colour. So it is in this beige marl colour that it's described as. They had different colours again, I'm pretty sure, with these items, and I just love it. It was only $17.99. It is super soft, really feels like really good quality. What size did I get this in? Oh, I got it in a medium, and that is just gorgeous. I'm gonna wear this with maybe some like level up trousers, nice pair of boots. I just can't wait for sweater weather, and it was getting that way, and then the sun's came back out, hasn't it, and it's really sunny again, so just have to be patient and wait a little longer. But I'm just loving all these colours at the minute, these natural earthy sort of tones. Yeah, I'm gonna say it again, I love it. So that is that one. Now this next item is like my favourite part of the order, I think, and I can only apologise because I've worn it to death already. So this has been worn and has got some makeup on it, but you know, that's just one of them things. But it is this big oversized t-shirt, again this gorgeous colour. I am just drawn to anything this beige colour at the moment, and it is a Ramones t-shirt. It is a really thick jumper, and it was only 12, not jumper, thick t-shirt. So it's not flimsy, because I've had some other ones that are like oversized tees that are really thin, but this is really thick. It does genuinely feel really good quality, and I got it in a medium, and I really like it. I didn't think it was very me, again, to wear sort of like a big baggy t-shirt, but when I have worn it, I've worn it with like leather look leggings and just like a nice crossover bag, and then some Vans, and it's one of my favourite outfits now, that kind of look to wear. I'm just really over anything that's not comfortable, and I just, ever since lockdown, I don't want to feel uncomfortable in my clothing ever, so skinny jeans have just gone out the window, and I'm just all about baggy, comfy fashion. So this is just gonna get worn to death because it is just gorgeous. And for £12.99, I just think that's such a good price. £12.99 for all of that t-shirt, and it's so thick, really comfy. I am just, yeah, I'm really happy with the things that I picked up in this order. I think that I got some really nice things for autumn. And then the last item to show you is again in this colour. I think it's actually pretty much the same colour. Yeah, it's the same fabric as the jumper that I already chose, so you can just tell how drawn to that colour I am. So it is this really long line cardigan. I got it in a size medium, but I probably could have just got it in a small. It is really big on me, but it does make it so much cozier. I've worn this the other morning on school run, and it was really nice. It was almost like coming out in your dressing gown. I just wrapped up in it because it was still a little chilly in the morning, and this is just beautiful. They had more colours of this. My friend actually has it in the sort of grey colour, and that's really nice as well. So this is another item that I wouldn't mind getting a few more of, because a long cardigan, especially for the days when it's not quite cold enough for a coat, but it is, you know, it's a little bit chilly, and you can just pop one of these on, and just for wearing around the house, I just love it. So comfy. And this was £17.99 as well. I've just remembered that I don't think I said how much the jeans were, but they were £24.99, which I think is an absolute steal. And yeah, this one £17.99, a great price as well. So that is everything that I got from H&M. It's a little bit short and sweet, this haul, but I just wanted to get a few bits for my autumn wardrobe, and I am really pleased with everything that I picked up. Like I say, I pretty much tried out everything, worn everything. Really comfortable, great quality, so I am definitely going to keep looking at H&M for future clothes hauls. So everyone, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.